Hey there, it's Dan the Cleaning Man. Today, we're diving into some of the best sellers in commercial indoor upright vacuums. Whether you're tackling pet hair, managing heavy-duty commercial cleaning, or just looking for a reliable option for your home, I've got you covered. We'll be comparing 5 top contenders, breaking down their features, pros, and cons, so you can find the perfect match for your cleaning needs. And if you're ready to grab one, check out the affiliate links in the description to support the channel while locking in the best deals. Let's get started. First on the list is the Eureka PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This lightweight option is perfect for pet owners and households with mixed flooring types. At just over 10 pounds, it's easy to carry and maneuver, and the 5 height adjustments make it versatile enough to handle carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The Pet Turbo tool is a real game changer for removing pet hair from furniture and stairs. But there are a couple of downsides. The bagless design, while convenient, can get a little messy when emptying the dust cup. And the noise levels might make you think twice about vacuuming while someone's on a call or watching TV. That said, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance, this one's a winner, priced at $99.99. Next, we have the Eureka Commercial XL Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is all about efficiency and simplicity. Weighing in at just 9 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight for a professional-grade vacuum. The high-speed brush roll works wonders on low-pile carpets and hard floors, while the 12-inch cleaning path lets you cover more ground in less time. However, it's not without its limitations. The Eureka XL doesn't come with any attachments, so it's strictly for floor cleaning. And if you have thick, plush carpets, it may not perform as well. But for cleaning offices, hard floors, or homes with mostly low-pile carpeting, it's a no-nonsense workhorse that gets the job done. Priced $169.99. Now let's talk about the Shark NV151 Navigator Swivel Pro. If you're a pet owner or need a vacuum that can handle multi-surface cleaning, this one might be your best bet. The HEPA filtration system traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it perfect for anyone with allergies. Its swivel steering makes navigating around furniture a breeze, and the Pet Power Brush tackles fur and dander with ease. On the downside, it's a bit heavier than some of the other vacuums on this list. And while it's packed with features, it comes with a higher price tag. But if you're juggling kids, pets, and multiple surfaces, the Shark N151 is a versatile all-star that's worth the investment. Priced $139.99, the Eureka Commercial Upright Bagged Vacuum Cleaner Model U2000R1 is another solid contender. This vacuum focuses on reliability and straightforward cleaning. The low-profile design is perfect for getting under furniture, and the 40-foot cord means fewer interruptions while you clean. A unique feature is the 2-speed power switch, which lets you dial down the intensity for more delicate floors. Like its XL sibling, it lacks attachments, so don't expect to use it for above-ground cleaning. And while it excels on hard floors and low-pile carpets, it's not ideal for thick rugs. If you want a durable, hassle-free vacuum that just works, the U2000R1 is a great option. Priced $179.99. Finally, we have the Sanitaire SC679K Tradition. This vacuum is built to withstand heavy-duty cleaning, making it a favorite among cleaning professionals. At 12 pounds, it's lightweight enough to maneuver easily, and the durable construction ensures it can handle daily use. The replaceable bag system keeps dust and debris contained, so you don't have to deal with any mess when it's time to empty it. Its drawbacks include a lack of attachments and louder operation compared to some of the other models. But if you're looking for a vacuum that's tough, reliable, and ready to tackle high-traffic areas, the Sanitaire SC679K is a smart choice. Priced $149.99. All right, let's recap. If you're a pet owner, the Shark NV151 Navigator stands out with its pet tools and HEPA filtration. For commercial use, the Eureka XL and Sanitaire SC679K are top-tier options that can handle heavy-duty cleaning. If you're on a budget, the Eureka PowerSpeed offers great value without skimping on performance. And if you want a simple, reliable vacuum, the Eureka U2000R1 is a lightweight and dependable choice. When shopping for a vacuum, here's a pro tip. Look for models with a CFM rating of 120 or higher for strong suction, noise levels under 70 decibels for quieter operation, and a HEPA filter to keep allergens and dust at bay. These 3 features will ensure you're getting a quality vacuum that performs well and keeps your air clean. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links in the description to get the best deals while supporting the channel. Thanks for watching Dan the Cleaning Man. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cleaning tips and reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!